Hello everyone! So ito na po yung size ng aking ginawa na headband at i-attach po natin itong flower na ito. But first we have to attach this both ends together. So ganito lang po siya guys. Kung baga madali lang po siyang gawin. At kung alam nyo na po ang mag-crochet, this is a very easy to make. So, single slips lang po ang ating gagawin. Ganyan po guys. Gawin natin guys. Napakasimple po siya at napakadaling gawin. So ito po yung grown-ups headband po na ginawa ko. At i-attach po natin yung flower na ginawa po natin kanina. So ayan po, lalagyan po natin ng tail para po sa ating flower. Ayan guys. At yung flower i-attach po natin dito. Ganyan. So napakadali lang po guys. Now i-attach po natin yung ating flower. Ayan. So, kinakailangan na lagyan po natin ng so, this is a very easy headband for beginners. So, nag-enjoy po ako guys sa paggawa nito. And if you like to learn more of crocheting, you can always ask, and I'm here to teach you guys kung paano po gagawa ng headband. So, ayan, malapit na. So, ito na po siya guys. Pwede na nating ilagay sa ating ulo. So, I will try. And here it is. Ayan po yung ating flower na ginawa nung una at ito po yung headband. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on my next crocheting video or vlogs. Cheers!